Imagine biting into a warm, flaky pastry filled with a tantalizing mixture of ground meat, finely chopped onions, and a burst of spices. This is the sfiha, a popular Syrian street food that has won the hearts of food lovers worldwide. The pastry's outer layer, golden and crispy, hides a treasure trove of flavors within. Each bite introduces a harmony of textures and tastes, a testament to the culinary prowess of Syrian street chefs. The sfiha, perfect in its simplicity, has become a symbol of Syria's vibrant street food scene. Locals relish it as a quick, satisfying meal, while tourists find themselves drawn to the aromatic allure of hot sfiha stands. Its popularity is undeniable, transcending borders and cultures, making sfiha a true ambassador of Syrian cuisine. Just one bite and you're transported to the lively streets of Syria amidst the hustle and bustle, savoring an authentic taste of the Middle East. Now let's dive deeper into the world of Syrian street food with a local expert. Welcome, Hassan, a renowned local street food vendor who has been serving up authentic Syrian delicacies for over 2 decades. It's no exaggeration to say that Hassan has become something of a culinary institution in Syria. He started his journey as a humble food vendor over 20 years ago, and today his name is synonymous with mouth-watering Syrian street food. Hassan's passion for his craft is palpable. He has dedicated his life to perfecting the art of Syrian cuisine, blending traditional recipes with his unique flair. His stall has become a beacon for food lovers, inviting them to experience the rich, diverse flavors of Syria. Hassan's expertise extends beyond just making food. He also takes pride in sharing the story and culture behind each dish. His passion for his craft is not just about serving delicious food, it's about preserving the culinary heritage of Syria. With Hassan's guidance, we're about to embark on a flavorful journey through the streets of Syria. Hassan, how does one create this delectable treat that is sfiha? Well, the art of making sfiha is all about balance and precision. You start with the dough. It's a simple mix of flour, water, salt, and a bit of yeast. The secret is to knead it just enough to make it smooth and elastic, but not too much, or it will become tough. Once the dough is ready, you let it rest. This allows the yeast to work its magic, creating those beautiful air pockets that make the sfiha light and fluffy. Meanwhile, you can prepare the filling. Traditionally, sfiha is filled with a mixture of minced lamb or beef, tomatoes, onions, and a blend of spices. Each family has their own secret blend, but common ingredients include allspice, cinnamon, and nutmeg. When the dough has doubled in size, it's time to assemble the sfiha. You take a small piece of dough and roll it out into a thin circle. Then you spoon a generous amount of the meat mixture onto the center of the dough. The edges of the dough are then folded in to create a sort of boat shape which holds the filling in place. Next, the sfiha are baked in a very hot oven. The high temperature ensures that the dough becomes crispy on the outside while the filling stays juicy and flavorful. The result is a delicious pastry that is crunchy on the outside and soft and savory on the inside. A few tips to remember when making sfiha. Always use fresh ingredients, never rush the process, and remember, practice makes perfect. It might take a few tries to get the dough just right, but once you do, you'll be rewarded with a truly delicious treat. Thank you, Hassan, for that insightful demonstration. The love and care that go into making sfiha is truly remarkable. What are some other must-try delicacies, Hassan? Where to start? Syria's street food culture is a vibrant tapestry of flavors, each dish carrying a unique story of the people and the land. After sfiha, the next must-try street food is shawarma. Shawarma is a succulent meat delight, typically chicken or beef, marinated in a medley of spices, slow-cooked on a vertical spit and then thinly sliced. Served in a warm, soft pita with a drizzle of garlic sauce, pickles and fries. Shawarma is a burst of flavors in every bite. Moving along, we have falafel, the golden brown chickpea balls that are a staple in Syrian street food. These crispy on the outside, soft on the inside balls are deep fried to perfection, served hot with a side of tahini sauce, pickled veggies, and wrapped in flatbread. It's the perfect on-the-go snack, loved by vegetarians and meat lovers alike. And of course, no meal is complete without a side of hummus. This creamy, rich dip, made from mashed chickpeas, blended with tahini, lemon juice, and garlic, is a classic Syrian staple. Often garnished with a drizzle of olive oil, a sprinkle of paprika, and served with warm pita bread, hummus is a versatile dish that can be a starter, a side, or a meal in itself. Each of these street food items carries a unique taste, a blend of spices, textures, and cooking techniques that are quintessentially Syrian. Whether it's the slow roasting of shawarma, the deep frying of falafel, or the blending of hummus, each preparation method adds its unique touch, making each dish a culinary journey in itself. It's clear that Syrian street food offers a diverse array of flavors, each telling a story of its own. Hassan, can you tell us about the culture of street food in Syria? Certainly. The culture of street food in Syria is as rich and diverse as the country itself. It's a vibrant tapestry woven with the threads of heritage, community, and culinary creativity. Street food in Syria is more than just a quick bite on the go. It's a living testament to our rich history and traditions. Every dish tells a story of ancient trade routes, of diverse influences, and of the indomitable Syrian spirit. From the sumptuous sfiha and the savory shawarma to the sweet kunafa and the refreshing tamar hindi, each dish is a chapter in our grand narrative. But it's not just about the past. Street food here is also a reflection of the present. It's a mirror that reflects our vibrant, bustling, and ever-evolving society. The food carts and stalls that line our streets are like open-air theaters where the dramas of daily life unfold. Here, amid the sizzle of skewers and the aroma of spices, you'll find the real Syria. The Syria that laughs, loves, and lives with gusto. Community is at the heart of our street food culture. These streets are our communal dining rooms where we gather to share meals, stories, and laughter. Food here is a social experience, a shared joy. It's not uncommon to see strangers striking up conversations over a plate of falafel or families bonding over a shared meal of fowl. The street food culture in Syria is also about innovation. Our vendors are culinary artists, constantly experimenting with flavors and techniques. They're our unsung heroes, keeping our culinary heritage alive while pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Indeed, street food is more than just food in Syria. It's a way of life, a celebration of culture and community. Street food in Syria is a testament to our resilience, our love for life, and our unwavering belief in the power of good food to bring people together. As we wrap up our Syrian street food tour, what message do you have for our viewers, Hassan? Hassan, with a wide smile, takes a deep breath before diving into his final thoughts. Well, I'd firstly like to say that Syrian street food is more than just a quick bite on the go. It's a sensory journey that takes you through the history and culture of our beautiful country, one bite at a time. Each dish, each flavor tells a story of our heritage and resilience. He continues, Syrian cuisine is as diverse and vibrant as its people. The street food in particular is a testament to the creativity, passion, and love that we put into our cooking. Whether it's the savory sfiha, the sweet baklava, or the refreshing tabbouleh, every dish is an experience worth savoring. Hassan's eyes gleam with passion as he encourages viewers to venture into the world of Syrian street food. I urge everyone to give Syrian street food a try. You'll be amazed by the variety, the flavors, the textures. I promise it will be an adventure for your taste buds. As he wraps up, Hassan expresses his hope for the future of Syrian cuisine. I believe the future of Syrian food is bright. Despite the challenges we faced, our food culture remains strong and continues to evolve. I'm excited for what's to come, and I can't wait to share more of our culinary treasures with the world. After a thoughtful pause, Hassan shares one last piece of advice. Remember, food is a universal language. It has the power to connect us, to teach us about each other, and to bring joy. So don't be afraid to explore, to taste, to learn. The world of food is a beautiful place. Thank you, Hassan, for this delectable journey through Syrian street food. It's been a flavorful adventure that has left us wanting more. Until next time, keep exploring, keep tasting, and keep falling in love with the world of food.